really not care. And now she's looking for a downtown band. That's all I have. And when she knows what she wants from the time,
Boy band ng Jollibee.
when she wake up and make up her mind, she will not so done just because I'm in love with an uptown girl. You know I'm standing here an uptown girl. She's getting better than the last toy, and other best in front of uptown boy. She's got a joy. Uptown girl, you know I can't afford to buy her pearl, but maybe something with my face I'm seeing. She's rather than a guy, and I win. And when she walking, she's looking so fine, and when she's talking, she says that same bye.
Ginawa na kaya ta?
She'll say I'm not so good just because I'm in love with an uptown girl. She's been living in a white bread war. So I said it one hot not care. And now she's looking for a downtown man. That's what I am. Uptown girl. She's been living in an uptown girl. You know I'm not in love with uptown girl. My uptown girl. You know I'm in love with uptown girl.
Hoy, mabulyo, tabo!
Uptown girl. You know I'm in love with uptown girl. My uptown girl.
Kamuti kayo.
Okay, uptown girl. My uptown girl. You know I'm in love with my uptown girl. My uptown girl. We would like to thank Divas Cafe, Escape Clark,
May hari ko.
Yokohama, Honda,